Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials: an Intune license, an Azure AD admin, and MDM authority set to Intune. Once confirmed, open Microsoft Endpoint Manager and enable automatic device enrollment for Azure AD joined devices. Make sure user scope is set to include the users you'll enroll. Now prepare a test device, update Windows 10, set time sync, and sign in with the Azure AD account. This gets enrollment initiated immediately and avoids common blockers at the outset. Once enrollment is active, you need to configure what the device receives. Create an enrollment or Windows Autopilot profile to control OOB behavior, then make device configuration profiles for settings like BitLocker and Windows Update. Next, assign compliance policies to the same Azure AD groups so conditional access works. Also add required line of business or Microsoft Store apps and any certificates or Wi-Fi profiles. These middle steps ensure devices are secure, manageable, and functional as soon as they appear in Intune. To finish, enroll the device. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Access Work or School, right arrow Connect, sign in with the Azure AD user, and choose Join this device to Azure Active Directory. Once joined, the device auto-enrolls and appears in Endpoint Manager. Select it and force a sync to pull policies and apps. If something fails, check Company Portal logs, Windows Event Viewer, and MDM diagnostic logs. Ensure the user has a license, device time is correct, and Azure AD join succeeded. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.